Hey Pioneers, welcome to the updated walkthrough of Pi's decentralized exchange, automated market maker, liquidity pools, and token management features available in the Pi wallet. Numerous user interface and quality improvements have been made, so Pioneers can more effectively learn, engage, and test the tools. All features covered today are still on testnet, on-ramping Pioneers into decentralized finance through a safe, gradual, and educational journey of discovery. To use this feature, start by opening the testnet Pi wallet and selecting the Tokens tab. This is your main hub for all ecosystem token-related functions. At the top, you'll see 4 options: My Tokens, More Tokens, My Liquidity Pools, and More Liquidity Pools. You can use the search bar when available to search for specific tokens or pools. Tap this icon at the top right to open the Manage Tokens page. Here, you can see the tokens you've already enabled or a list of other tokens you can enable to make them visible and usable in your wallet. There's also a new link to a GitHub page that explains how developers can create a token on the Pi testnet. Toggle a token on to confirm that you'll make it active for swaps, exchanges, and liquidity pools. This requires a transaction fee, in this case, in TestPi. Now let's explore the More Tokens page, which shows tokens available to use. Tap on a token to enable or disable it, send the token to another Pioneer's wallet, buy or sell the token by either swapping the token at market price or placing your order in the DEX interface, where your token will swap at the price you set if another party accepts your offer. And finally, interact with the token's liquidity pool. Depositing adds your tokens to the pool and earns you trading fees proportionally. Withdrawing removes your liquidity and returns the tokens you contributed, adjusted by the pool's current ratio. You can see the liquidity pools you're participating in the My Liquidity Pools page. You can also create your own liquidity pool if a trading pair doesn't already exist by selecting 2 tokens and determining the ratio. In the More Liquidity Pools page, you can see all available liquidity pools you can participate in. Before we conclude the video, here's a quick recap of what an automated market maker and a decentralized exchange is. An automated market maker, or AMM, powers swaps and liquidity pools. Instead of matching buyers and sellers like a traditional exchange, the automated market maker uses a formula to automatically adjust prices based on the balance of tokens in each pool. This design allows trading to happen continuously and instantly, even without an order book or centralized intermediary. A DEX, or decentralized exchange, allows users to trade tokens directly with one another without a central authority or middleman. Trades are executed through on-chain mechanisms such as order books or liquidity pools, whichever provides the best result, automatically determined by the network. These tools form the foundation of decentralized trading in the Pi ecosystem, all currently running safely on testnet for testing, education, and development before mainnet deployment. So, try out these DeFi features yourself now to see how decentralized markets work in real time.